This video is sponsored by me. These days, it can feel like traditional predictive project management is going out of fashion, especially when some agilists refer to it as waterfall in a derogatory way. But the truth is, predictive project management works. For millions of project managers across the globe, predictive project management isn't just their introduction to project management, it is their daily professional bread and butter. And for those managers who never aspire to be professional project managers, yet they need to deliver projects as part of their work, for many of them, predictive project management is the solution they need to deliver the projects that they've been charged to deliver. Predictive project management is not right for every situation, but for many situations, it's perfect for people's needs. Now, I am certainly not arguing that for a long-term project management career, you shouldn't learn about agile methods. Adaptive project management is every bit as valuable a part of your project management toolkit as predictive project management. But what I am arguing is that we should not throw the predictive baby out with the project management bathwater. I would say that every project manager, apart from perhaps the most dedicated agile practitioner, needs to have a thorough grounding in the core basics of predictive project management. And that's what I aim to provide. When I started online PM courses in 2016, I built everything around 3 core courses: the Project Manager's Fast Start program, the Project Manager's Skills Mastery program, and the Project Manager's Immersion program. These are, put simply, my medium, large, and extra large core predictive project management courses. But from today, everything changes. I have my biggest announcement since the start of online PM courses. It's a price drop. It's permanent and it's a big one. And no, I am not talking about a sale. I'm dropping my prices permanently. Likely it will be forever. Certainly it will be for a good long time. Basically, I'm halving my prices. So why am I doing this? Well, there's 4 steps to the answer to that. Firstly, I have held my prices since the launch in 2016. As a result, over the last 6 years, I have recouped all of the basic costs of developing, recording, editing, hosting, mounting, promoting these courses. And hundreds of people have benefited from those courses, helping them to build the project management career that they deserve. Secondly, I built this YouTube channel to help promote my courses. Yet, recently I have become aware just how popular this YouTube channel is. It surpassed 40,000 permanent subscribers in October 2021. This channel now takes up most of my time. Yet, thirdly, many of you, my YouTube followers, are not highly paid permanent project managers yet. And some of you live in countries that, unlike here in Europe, in North America, in Australasia, you don't get the high levels of salaries that other project managers may enjoy. Consequently, you come to my YouTube channel for free content because you know it's good and you know it's free. Fourth, I simply want to give more people access to my courses. And I can only do that if I make them more accessible. And to me, that means reducing the prices. And that's why I have determined to cut the cost of all of my core predictive project management training courses by half. But if I were you, I'd have questions. And the first question you might be thinking is, what if I just bought a course at the previous full price? Well, if that's you, then you could probably afford the previous full price, but drop me a line, because I have something for you to make it up to you. Secondly, what about seasonal sales? Well, who knows, but probably not. But I do like to reward loyalty, and so I tend to save my offers for members of the community, people who have signed up to my newsletter, and there's a link down below in the description, and people who attend my live streams. So join the community if you want discounts in the future on particular courses. But you can be sure that there won't be any discounts in the near future on these half-price core courses. But the final question that I bet a lot of people watching this video will be thinking about is this just another way to sell more courses? Well, yes, it is. Because quite simply, I want more people to learn project management and buy my courses to do it. I want to make it easier and more accessible for people to buy more courses. So it's simple. And maybe I'll sell so many more courses that it will make up for the price drop. And if that happens, it's a win-win. And we know that win-wins are good. So there has never been a better time to learn core predictive project management and learn it properly. So do take a look at the page on our website where we compare the 3 tiers of core predictive project management: the Fast Start program for people who just want to understand the basics, the Skills Mastery program for people who want to be able to deliver a sizable project in a solid way, and the Immersion program for people who are committed to a long-term project management career or want to understand more than just the basics. I hope more people will buy these courses, but if all you want to do is to watch my free videos, then please do give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.